I just have to show this. Holy hell, but we got a UPS collection. Like 1 UPS, 2 UPS, 3 UPS. We got another one in the other room. What is going on, you're asking? Who am I stealing these from? So I got one eBay deal. I go, man, this is a really good deal. These are like $500 everywhere. I don't care if these are from 2015 with old batteries. But the dude, I bought one from the dude. I got this one from, the other one from. Working fantastic. Lights go off all the time here. Legs. Random. Yeah, I put some weird shit in my, my whatever. It's freaking hot out there. You can't wear any clothes. No. Not wearing. Alright, so that's that out of the way. In case someone's gonna ask in the comments. Ask about everything. So we bought that. It came smashed. See, broken. There's literally like nothing holding this case together. It's really effed up on the back. Got the back corner. So USPS screwed me over again. Broke the shit. And I don't know why I took it apart for, but I'm just saying that. Oh, that's why I took it apart, because this one came. It had a broken fan, and the front cover's busted. But it doesn't matter. I'll make have like a scratch and dent one, and what other one? I don't know. Or in the seller gives me a label. I think this one's gonna go back. So I'll put that cover on this. But then I'm just looking at this, how extensive the damage is. It's pretty extensive. And we're having a like moment of this taking everything apart. It's hot outside. But that's what the Postal Service does. They wreck your stuff. It's a shame. And the Chinese who build these things, they mash the fan. Hold on, I'll put it over here. I just took the batteries out so it's lighter. This fan, I pulled it back and there's wires hitting on it, so the fan wasn't working. I was freaking out, thinking it was also a bad unit, but I fixed it. So I gotta go right to seller and say, I did fix that. Maybe I'll take some money off, I don't know. Freaking unbelievable though, look at that shit. It's gonna be an episode of Hoarders soon. Hoarders Condo Land. And I'm hoarding UPSs only because the freaking lights go off all the time. But it's been working. I used to freak out when the lights went out and just start cursing and going nuts. God damn it! Now I need a UPS. God damn it! Reset. Now I don't. See, I solved the problem. There's solutions in life. That's why all these angry people on the internet just laugh at them because they haven't found their solutions yet. Seemed like in my other videos in the past, and we're in this dark corner, they said that it's dark. And then Wagon guy was moving, and he goes, Brian, you want a light? It was in his garage. It was kind of broken, like springs were broken and stuff. I was like, yeah. And then I went to the hardware store, and all the teachers who said my writing was terrible over the years, and this and that, and you'll never be anything and survive, and you're going to die when you're 15. I don't know, all this crazy shit. Those are the professionals in this world. They just down everyone. And that's why we have a society of just negative people in this world who are hateful. And what does this happen for? Yeah, it's too stupid or ignorant. But yeah, we got that light, and then we went to the hardware store and got a spring. And because I can't read my writing, I always buy a bunch of stuff at the hardware store, and then I come back and go, wait a minute, wasn't that like, look at the receipt like hours later, wasn't that like $7? And they wrote it up for like $4. I guess they thought a 7 was a 4. I don't know. So that was funny. So all the people who say that, this is even tweaked in the back too, look at that. All messed up. So we're going to try to like Humpty Dumpty this thing together at ABS cement, like I did with this broken cover. And hopefully it works out. You just glue it on, works out pretty good. And if the guy doesn't want this back, I think I'm just going to donate it to my friend. He'll pay shipping, he's been looking for one. I don't really need another one. Let's see, we'll do a trade deal. That's how the batteries come. Unreal, man. If it's not Amazon, they wreck your stuff. Yeah, we got an AC leak. I don't know if I'm going to make a video of fixing that. The valve is leaking, the high side valve around the O-ring of the Bosemobile. It's just, you know, pissing out green shit over the line. And the damage on that thing. And I need a seafoam for the seat, so you're not going to see that until I get a seafoam. But I think the vehicle might be destroyed by then with the amount of damage. Yeah, I gotta try to fix this too. It's cemented. I'm not talking. ABS cement. Use your little pieces. Try to figure out where they go. And ABS cement. Oh my god. comes apart easier than you'd think. Wow, and I think I just broke my newly... No, I didn't. Now I can fix the back though, where it's snapped over here. Yeah, so we're going through this, we're running out of time. Even one little tab for the transformer broke off over there. Extreme damage on this thing, all being held together with ABS cement now. Easy to take apart though.